Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel here with Amani, and Amani came in this morning for a hair transplant.
Yeah, so I've probably been struggling with traction alopecia probably for about 15 years now. When I was younger, I used to play a lot of sports. So just to make it easier on my mom, I would wear like a lot of braids, but unfortunately the wear and tear of that kind of wore out my hairline. So now I'm here. Tried everything like scalp massages. I even was getting the Kenalog injections with a dermatologist at one point, and I didn't see any growth from that. So hoping Dr. Siegel can save the day.
Well,
Thank you.
tell us about your day.
So the experience was pretty great. Like I said, the worst thing about it is the anesthesia, but that's quick. But the team was really great. They were warm and welcoming, and I was relaxed, and I felt good. I felt great. Just excited for the next couple months of growth.
And we are going to follow along with you over this journey for the whole entire year, and you have my personal number, so... Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Amani, and Amani, this is our 1-year anniversary. How are you doing?
Great. The 1 year flew by.
Flew by, didn't it?
Yeah.
And I just got done showing you your before pictures. Tell us about your experience. Tell us what you thought of the before pictures and where you are 1 year later.
Well, looking at the before pictures, I can't believe like it was that bad. Oh my gosh. The results that I have achieved so far are amazing, and I know that it's going to continue to grow. Before the procedure, I would have to spend extra time trying to, cover it, make sure, and I was a little insecure, like if the wind blew this way, wouldn't ride with the windows down, things like that. But now I'm a lot more confident. You see, I have my hair out. I have no product in it. This is all my hair. No fillers, no gel, no nothing.
Absolutely amazing. And it looks natural.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does.
And your friends and family, what are they saying about it?
Oh, they think it's like night and day. They're like, wow, maybe I need to go.
And your incision site?
I'm sorry, what was that?
What about your incision site?
Oh, I can't even detect it. I think my hair has pretty much grown out in that spot, I can't detect it, You would literally have to go into my scalp with a magnifying glass to find the incision site.
Awesome. So, your overall experience with natural transplants from beginning to end?
10 out of 10, definitely, of course, yeah. So professional, people were checking up on me, so it was a good process. The healing process was kind of tough. I had to wear scarves in the beginning for a few months. So I think I got my procedure in January, and I started to wear my hair out again, maybe like late March, early April. Okay. So I just disguised it with cute scarves and things like that in the beginning.
And what I want you to do, if you don't mind, is I'm going to have you put your chin down just so people can see the top.
Yeah, of course. Yep.
Awesome. And now I'm going to have you turn to the left, and that way they can see, or the right, whichever one, and pull that hair back just a little bit. Awesome. And now let's see the other side. Absolutely awesome. You did amazing. It was a huge area. It was
huge area. Huge.
But you had such great donor hair. That was like what was so good about it, is you definitely had the best donor hair to work with.
Yeah. So I really appreciate all that natural hair transplants has done for me. And maybe I've kind of toyed with maybe coming back, and getting more density. But I will say for right now, my confidence is like 1,000% greater than what it was when I came.
You definitely look adorable. You look great.
Thank you.
So happy for you. You did amazing. And I thank you so much for doing the video. You did a video for us for the before the procedure even was done. So we're going to actually try to put both of those videos together so people can really understand how you felt the morning of the procedure and now how you feel a year later. And this is how I've had a hair transplant. This is really, it is all about confidence. And
right, yeah. I just wish people, like, you know, there's nothing to be ashamed about. You know, we all have our insecurities. If you want to fix something, fix it. You know, this is probably some of the best money I've ever spent. So.
Well, again, I thank you so much for, I love the fact that we've done this 1 year, and you look amazing. And for anybody else out there who's interested in getting a hair transplant, please call us here at Natural Transplant.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.